Hi, I'm Nicole, Master Instructor on RoboGarden's instruction team and a registered professional engineer in the province of Alberta. I've spent over a decade in the energy industry working extensively with multidimensional data. I'm an entrepreneur and have now been exploring and teaching others the magic behind coding and machine learning since 2019. I love working in tech. It gives me the opportunity to work with diverse industries, be collaborative and creative, and have a flexible schedule that works for me and my family. In this video, I'm excited to share with you RoboGarden's Machine Learning Foundations course in partnership with the University of Northern British Columbia. This is a self-paced course which introduces learners to Python and machine learning. By the end of this course, you'll know Python code to train a classification model that will be used to solve a real-world problem. And you don't just stop there. You'll see how to create an interface so anybody can run and use your brand new software. To guide you on your coding journey, RoboGarden provides this comprehensive platform which walks you through the entire learning process. Once you log in, you'll have access to all the learning materials, or what we call missions, to help you learn and practice machine learning. This course contains 4 content modules: an introduction to Python with a focus on the skills needed for machine learning, an introduction to data, which teaches how to access, prepare, and analyze data for machine learning, an introduction to machine learning in this classification module here, where you will learn how to and then have the opportunity to create your very own classification machine learning models. And finally, culminating in a sandbox project to combine all your new skills into a fully working piece of software that incorporates a functioning classification model in a real-world use case. Inside each module, there are different activities to help make learning fun and interactive. Lesson missions, like this one, are like your textbook. These provide all of the background knowledge required for the course, and there are built-in interactive knowledge checks throughout. Editor missions like this one are available to practice new concepts right inside of the platform. You can write your own code in the window on the left, and then when this code is run, it will provide immediate feedback to you on the code that you've written. Correct solutions let you progress on to the next mission. Otherwise, you'll receive guidance on how to modify your code towards the correct answer, right in real time. Emulator missions like this one allow you to practice visualizations in code by allowing you to choose the correct code snippet down here in the carousel to generate the requested visual. All the feedback is provided in real time, so you can learn at your own pace. If you ever get stuck on a problem, there is an SOS button from the menu. This can help you to complete a mission if you're unsure on how to find the correct solution, but use them wisely, as only a few are available during the course. Culminating the course is the sandbox project. In this project, you will combine all your new coding, data analysis, and machine learning skills into a little piece of software that looks like this when you run it on your computer, that you can then launch from any computer. This project is quite flexible in terms of meeting your personal needs, whether you are just curious about machine learning and you want to see how it works, or perhaps you're interested in pursuing additional career opportunities in tech or machine learning. Either way, it's so rewarding to see newly trained models immediately put to use in a format that could assist real-world decision-making. That is, after all, one of the biggest benefits of this type of technology, and now you can learn how to do it too. I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of RoboGarden's Machine Learning Foundations course in partnership with UNBC. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our teams at RoboGarden or at UNBC. We're happy to assist and we love to help. See you soon.